Everyone, this is Gurucharan Das Adipu, lecturer in Management Government Degree College, Siddipet Autonomous. Today, we are going to discuss about mobile client softwares. First of all, mobile client software. Okay, mobile client software, also referred to as a mobile application or mobile app, is a computer program or software application designed to run on a mobile device such as a smartphone, or we can use tab or a smartwatch also. Mobile client software has three basic uh, common functions. uh, One is accepting and processing the inputs and requests from mobile users. Okay, accepting, processing the inputs and requests from mobile users is the first function. Second is communicating with wireless based servers. Communicating with the wireless based servers, applications and service system over a wireless network or wireless internet. And the third function is displaying the system input, displaying the system outputs and responses to mobile users. Right. uh, Displaying the system outputs. Okay, what WYSIWYG, I think you are all familiar with that word. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you get. What you see on the monitor, what you will get the same in the form of printed copy. Same as usual, displaying the system output and responses to mobile users is the another function that is mobile client software. Okay, gives. Next, some mobile client software such as Smart Client software enables mobile users to access local device resources and applications for a complete mobile experience. Most mobile device users are people with very limited computing knowledge and operation experience. For example, elementary school kids and retired seniors, they expect a very user-friendly interface. Whereas in computers, you will see graphical user GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, it is very easy for you to, without pressing or without using any commands, you can, by clicking the image, you can get access to that particular function. Mobile client software must meet the following expectations. We will discuss here the same. What are those expectations, right? One is, we call them as expectations and requirements. Ease of use for end users. Okay, ease and use of end users with little or no computer knowledge and experience. Right? Reliable access over wireless networks with a limited network bandwidth and unreliable network connectivity is the second. And short response time, good system performance, and efficient transactions would be the another requirement. Mobile personalization to meet end user performance and presentation formats is another requirement. Integration with multiple input or output media formats, including text, short messages, audio and video, is another level. Developers need to understand different types of mobile client before creating mobile client software. First, if you are able to understand the mobile clients, okay, what are their features need to be, then only you could able to develop a required mobile client software. There are a number of ways to classify different mobile clients based on client complexity, enabled technologies and architecture styles. One is thin mobile client, second is smart mobile client, third is thick mobile client. Okay, we will discuss the same, okay, each and every mobile client in detail. First, we will discuss thin mobile client. A thin mobile client. Okay, a thin mobile client refers to mobile software designed for low-powered mobile devices. It provides a thin user interface between mobile users and a central stationary server to retrieve data and access functions and services. This is thin. Some special features of a thin mobile client we will need to discuss here. One is it is suitable for operation on low powered mobile devices such as mobile phones. Okay, low powered, where power consumption is very low. Okay, for those devices it is very suitable. Using a thin mobile client reduces heavy computing process on mobile devices by keeping these processes at the server side. Okay, when we use thin mobile client software, that will reduce heavy computing processes. Okay, if you want to calculate, use the device for a cumbersome calculations, it won't allow, right? Next, and another is it is provided with very limited set of functions. A few functions it will be performed, and is highly dependent on a wireless based application server to support functional services. Following, it has no need of installation and synchronization. Okay, there is no need for installation and synchronization when we use thin mobile client, right? It is easy to deploy, execute, upgrade mobile clients on different types of mobile devices. Following, and another is it is easy to conduct due to its limited complexity. Okay, due to it is easy to construct because of okay, due to its limited complexity, and it is highly dependent on wireless network connectivity. Okay, thin mobile client is highly dependent on wireless network connectivity. This increases network traffic, slowdowns system performance, and raises the technical challenge of supporting reliable application transactions. And the second one is smart mobile client. Okay, smart mobile client is another. Okay, mobile client. A smart mobile client refers to mobile application software designed for smart mobile devices. We can simply call them as smartphones. It uses local computing processors and reduces to provide certain application functions and services without the support from its application server. A typical example of smart mobile client download digital game on smartphones is the one good example. Some special features of smart mobile clients we will discuss here. It is highly dependent on local resources to support mobile computing process on mobile devices. The second is it requires mobile client installation and updates on mobile devices through synchronization capability. And third is it provides rich mobile user interfaces supporting mobile data with text and multimedia data. And the fourth is mobile users need to pay more money for their higher powered mobile devices. And the fifth is smart client software usually is more complex and costly to develop. And sixth one is it is difficult and costly to construct smart client software to fit into diverse mobile devices and platforms. Okay, and this is second uh, type of smart mobile client software, and we move on to third type of, that is thick mobile client. A thick mobile client refers to complex mobile software highly dependent on the local resources of a mobile platform, which supports users in accessing enterprise oriented wireless applications. Okay, a thick mobile client designed for high powered mobile devices. Some special features of mobile client we'll discuss now. Okay, thick mobile client we'll discuss here. One is a thick mobile client must be installed and deployed on mobile devices. Thus, it is costly to upgrade on mobile devices. Okay, thick clients usually are developed to support certain groups of mobile users to perform specific enterprise applications, unlike smart clients that are developed for public mobile users. Okay, and another special feature that the thick mobile client has is uh, thick mobile clients offer mobile users with complex offline applications that are executable on a certain platform, right? It offers Another feature is it offers an open standard mobile platform to access wireless data, multimedia, and web services channels. Another feature is it provides users with a rich mobile experience based on its strong graphics and multimedia features. Another one is it requires high-end mobile devices and powerful operation platforms. Another feature is developers of thick mobile clients need more knowledge about mobile devices and operation platforms, including wireless communication and programming, application interfaces, and enterprise frameworks. These are the features of special features of thick mobile clients. Now we'll need to compare between thin, smart, and thick mobile clients. When we compare with the features, okay, development complexity and cost, okay, based on the feature development complexity and cost, thin client uh, has low, okay, complexity and low cost, whereas smart client has moderate in complexity and development complexity is moderate and the cost is also moderate. When it comes to thick client, development complexity is high and as well as the cost is also high. When we consider the feature that network connectivity, whereas in thin client, the network connectivity is strong and unreliable. Okay, we cannot rely on that. Whereas smart client weak and reliable. Okay, network connectivity is weak, however, it is reliable, and thick client weak and reliable. Same, okay, whereas in smart and thick, the feature of network connectivity is same, that is weak and reliable. When we look for the feature online or offline operations, thin client mostly online, smart client both online and offline, thick client mostly offline. Okay, when it comes to local resource usage feature, thin client none, whereas a smart client moderate. Okay, there is no local resource usage in thin client, whereas smart client moderate. Okay, to some extent there is possible, whereas in thick client it is very high. Maintenance efforts, when we consider the feature maintenance efforts in case of thin client, okay, mobile client it is high, whereas in smart mobile client it is moderate, and when it is a thick mobile client, and that will be low. Okay, maintenance efforts will be low. When we consider mobile user experience feature, thin client, okay, mobile client is a primitive, whereas smart client is good and thick client is very good. When it comes to the feature of graphical user interface, we call it as GUI features. A thin client is poor without graphics. Okay, when we consider thin mobile client, that would be poor and without graphics, whereas smart client, the graphical user interface feature is basic with simple graphics. When it comes to thick client, it is okay, rich in right graphical user interface feature. When it comes to performance, thin client, okay, thin mobile client performance is low, whereas smart mobile client performance is moderate, whereas thick mobile client feature is very high. Mobile devices features, when it consider mobile devices feature, the thin mobile clients are low powered, smart mobile clients are smart or high powered, and the thick clients are high powered. A last feature which we are going to discuss here is client okay client deployment. When we consider the feature client deployment, thin mobile client, dynamic download. When it comes to smart mobile client, dynamic download or synchronization. When we consider the same feature to compare the thick mobile client, that is only synchronization. Okay, I think you have understood the topic. With this, I'll conclude my session and see you in the next class. Thank you for being with me.